The Heritage Academy, established in 2007 and located in Kolkata, is affiliated with Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad University of Technology and is part of the Heritage Group of institutions. It is rated 4.5 out of 5 by students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive into the institute's BCA program. Starting with placements, the BCA program has received a 4.5 star rating. THA Kolkata's placements saw participation from Infosys, TCS, CTS, Capgemini, and Deloitte, among others. According to Shiksha Reviews, 90% of the BCA students were placed. The highest package for BCA graduates reached up to 8 lakh per annum, with an average package of around 5 lakh per annum for 2024. For comparison, Brainware University offers average salaries that are slightly higher than the Heritage Academy. Students at the Heritage Academy secure top roles such as software developer, system analyst, data analyst, and network administrator. About 60% of the students secured internships with prestigious companies like Google, Microsoft, IBM, Amazon, and Flipkart. The BCA program has an intake of 120 students. Eligibility requires 10+2 qualification and admission, that is through CET entrance exam. The semester fees amounts to 57,000 rupees inclusive of additional charges of 52,200 payable at the time of admission. The total expenditure for the BCA over the last 3 years is 3.94 lakhs. With a median salary expectation of 5 lakh per annum, the program offers a positive return on investment, resulting in a 4.3 star value for money rating on Shiksha. Moving on to infrastructure rated 4.6 stars. The campus features a library, cafeteria, hostels, sports complexes, and laboratories. As per students, facilities include spacious classrooms with LCD projectors and whiteboards, dedicated tutorial rooms, updated software, a television studio, editing labs with Apple platforms, and a radio laboratory. The library is well stocked with academic and non-academic literature, offering ample study space. The hostels are clean, well ventilated, and provide comfortable living conditions with separate accommodations for girls and boys. The cafeteria offers multi-cuisine meals and a fast food convenience store. On-campus medical facilities are available along with arrangements with nearby hospitals. There is also a Punjab National Bank branch with a 24/7 ATM on campus. Transitioning to faculty and curriculum that has received a 4.6 star rating. Students praise the faculty for their qualification, knowledge, teaching quality, and support. The teachers are noted for their helpfulness and effective industry preparation. The 2020 summer training includes live projects and courses in AI, ML, IoT, blockchain, big data, Android, and AWS. Regarding campus life, the Heritage Academy has a 4-star rating. Students participate in various sporting events including intra-college and inter-college cricket tournaments and compete in football matches with faculty. The campus hosts a 2-day cultural fest, Epignosis, every February, and a music festival that is Technovation. The diverse campus life includes numerous extracurricular activities, sports, clubs, and cultural groups. THA Kolkata is currently unranked as of now in NIRF 2024. For more details on THA Kolkata and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.